Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Prius check hybrid system. First, if the check hybrid system light appears while driving, find a safe place to pull over. Turn off your Prius entirely and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This brief pause allows the car's computer systems to power down and potentially clear any temporary errors. After waiting, restart your vehicle to see if the warning light has disappeared. If the light persists, the next step involves using an OBD2 diagnostic scanner. These devices plug into your car's diagnostic port, typically found beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. The scanner can read specific trouble codes, providing valuable insight into the problem. Some apps, such as Toyota Prius, can connect to the scanner via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to help you understand your hybrid battery's health and clear codes. Another method to attempt a reset is by disconnecting the 12-volt battery. First, ensure your car is completely off. Locate the 12-volt battery, which is usually in the trunk. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal. Allow it to remain disconnected for several minutes, perhaps 5 to 10. Reconnect the terminal securely, then restart your Prius. Be aware that this might reset your radio presets and window auto-up functions. If the check hybrid system light remains illuminated after trying these steps, it is crucial to seek professional assistance. A persistent warning can signal more serious underlying problems, such as a blown fuse, an inverter malfunction, or issues with the hybrid battery pack itself. Driving your Prius with this warning continuously active could lead to further damage or compromise your vehicle's safety and performance. A qualified technician can perform a thorough diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.